Hi, just a quick launch video on our latest new instruction, which is a lovely 3-bedroom semi-detached property in Ashwater, popular village with a pub and village shop and part-time post office. As you can see behind me, gorgeous gardens, lovely size plot with some great views from the accommodation, which its focal point is the newly refurbished open plan kitchen diner. 3 good sized bedrooms coming to the market at a guide of £325,000. Give us a call on 01566 776211. Cause the slip. I do cover both offices, but it's 01566 776211 for a viewing. Thanks very much.